Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a clean on your EGR valve. This is a Vauxhall Insignia 2014 2-litre diesel automatic. First things first, you need to take the engine cover off. Right, and your EGR valve is located just down here. So this is it, it's just here. So first thing, we need to disconnect this plug just here, and for that you're going to need a screwdriver. So just a flathead screwdriver, and see that yellow bit just there, you need to push that out, the screwdriver. Now you need to be careful so you don't snap it, and then just gently does it, push that out, get these screws open. I said there's two, one on this side and one right on the opposite side at the bottom, so you're going to need to use the feel of your hand to open that. Right, so once you've undone those screws, just gently pull it out. There it is. It's not as bad as I thought, but it does need a clean. Yeah, it's not been cleaned for a while, but I thought it would be a lot worse, but it's not too bad. Right, so that's that. Now we're gonna need to take out the hose, which is this just here. So you've got 3 bolts on this and a couple of torque bolts at the bottom. So you're going to need to undo these and pull that out. You can just go ahead and gently pull it out. Again, not as bad as I thought it would be, but can still do with a clean, but it's not too bad at all. So I'm going to give these a good clean, and when you're cleaning, make sure these contacts don't get wet by oil or water. But the rest of it is fine, so you can get this part wet, but just not the plugs. I find this stuff is pretty good as well to get the grease out. Now that we've got these nice and clean, make sure they're dry before you put them back. So leave them out for a couple of hours just so they dry up nicely, and then fit them back on. Right, all connected up and should all be good to go. So just make sure you plug this back in, otherwise your car will come up with a engine light. That's it, so it's all done. Put engine cover back on and it should be good to go for a while before you need to clean it again. Thanks for watching.